Hello and welcome to the next day here in the UK on our Heritage Railway road trip. Today we're at the North Yorkshire Moors Railway in the North Yorkshire Moors. We spent the night in Whitby and I will show you some pictures of that in just a second. Um, Today there is a Black 5 running, we've seen that already, and at least two diesels. I'm not sure if there's a third diesel running or if there's a second steam engine out. And something's also gone wrong with the timetable because several trains had different departure times than they would have had, but it seems to get slowly back to how it should be. So we will see how that evolves over the day. We've got some footage already that looks quite nice. We're going to try to get a bit more and we're going to show it all to you. And yeah, if you enjoy, please leave a like. And yeah, as always, enjoy the following footage. As already said in the intro, we did spend the night in Whitby and then made our way to the first shot of the day. The location in itself was beautiful and we managed to get a really nice shot there, but we had some technical difficulties because our tripod, had some troubles with one of its legs, and now one leg might just randomly fall off whenever we want to extend it. So yeah, that was a bit of a problem for the next few days, but we got used to it and yeah, it wasn't that big of a deal. After we got the shot of the Black 5 coming out of Whitby, we made our way a bit further towards the moors itself and stopped a few kilometers outside of the Grossmont Motive Power Depot. And just a few minutes after the diesel had passed, the Black 5 came back down towards Grossmont. And after having seen the Class 47 leaving Goverland towards Pickering, we made our way into the moors itself, where we would come across the Class 37 from earlier today. You could hear that the Black 5 was approaching a good minute before it was actually there, and when it got there it was quite a sight. We then moved on to what we thought at that point was going to be the last location for the day, and that was just before Goverland Station. At this point we thought that our day would consist of one more train being hauled by the Black 5 and the rest being diesel hauled. But we were quite surprised as we got to see what came up the mountain with the next train. And just a few minutes after we got to see the Q6 coming up the mountain, we saw the Black 5 going down. And as we were waiting for what we thought was going to be the last diesel train for the day, we were yet again surprised to hear a steam engine coming up the mountain. We thought that was the last shot for the day, made our way back to the car and started driving towards York as we would go to the National Railway Museum on the next day. What we did notice while we were driving was that our route actually ran through Pickering, and so we made a short stop to see the Standard 4 again. And this marks the end of our visit to the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. If you've enjoyed this episode, please make sure to leave a like, and if you don't want to miss any further episodes, make sure to subscribe. And in the next episode, we'll visit the National Railway Museum and also make our way towards the Keighley and Wharf Valley Railway. That's it for now. I don't have anything else to say. Have a great day and bye for now.